Changing your primary email on Merrill Edge is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Merrill Edge website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, find the option for Email Preferences or Communication Settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your primary email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Merrill Edge. This will help you verify that your email change was successful.